We will now move on to our group service awardee. As a group, ladies and gentlemen, most of the workers, if not the workers in this office, are graduates of Benguet State University. Ladies and gentlemen, Group Service Award in Agricultural Planning and Development. A round of applause for Tublay Municipal Agriculture Office. Allow me to read all the names listed as they come on stage. Sir Elvin D. Sumayaw, Sir Saturnino D. Tande, Engineer Jeffrey D. Sotero, Ma'am JC B. Walan, Ma'am Susan A. Lino, Ma'am Loida V. Paayas, Ma'am Joanne Tayogan, Ma'am Letty Pukay, Ma'am Charlene Contino, Sir Joshua Juan, Sir Harry Scatan, Ma'am Anita Sinacan, Ma'am or Sir Christophan Toring, and Sir Bonnie Sabino. Best Innovation Project Concept, dubbed as Agriculturist for Agriculturation during the LGU Executives and Managers Class Program in 2023. Assisted Lato Ostino Farm in winning the 2017 Gawad Saka. Twice Best LGU in Organic Agriculture Program nationwide. First LGU awardee in 2013. Establishment of API CAR, Accredited Integrated Organic Agriculture Learning Site. Establishment of Tublay Agri-Marketing and Food Processing Center with Seed Library. Establishment of Solar-Powered Bio Agriculture Greenhouse. And accreditation of Agro-Ecotourism Sites. Congratulations once again to the Tublay Municipal Agriculture Office. Marami pa mag-a-apply na agriculture graduate. Just saying.